on the Isle of Man, and this is the Peel P50, a microcar originally manufactured here in Peel in the 1960s. It features in the Guinness World Records as the smallest production car ever made. So, what's the P50's vital statistics? Weighing in at 59 kilos, the P50 is just 99 centimetres wide and 137 centimetres long. We met up with the amazing guys of the Manx Transport Heritage Museum in Peel as they took the P50 for a nostalgic visit back to its original birthplace. This building used to be the factory that manufactured the P50s in the 1960s. Cyril Cannell and Henry Chiswick were the brains behind the P50. Before turning their extraordinary skills to the P50s, they engineered motorcycle fairings and also built a prototype hovercraft.
This is the original factory. They manufactured the P50. In 1964, when this was manufactured, they were more like a toy, I'd say. The idea was to keep people dry so they didn't get wet, so it was a form of transport.
One tiny car and one windscreen wiper is all that's needed. But hang on, what's the engine size on this beauty?
49cc, 100 miles to the gallon.
Wow.
Which
top speeds of
35, 40, but it's very sort of unstable, so you get a bit of a speed wobble up.
It has 3 gears, but no reverse gear. To reverse, you just grab the handle at the back and haul it wherever you need it to go. So how many in production do you think?
We estimate that there's round about, talking to the staff, there's no actual very good bookkeeping, but round about 50 of them made. We know roughly of about 27 that are left in existence.
Including this beauty?
Including this one, this is an original.
But it wasn't just the P50. Meet the Trident, the 2-seater sister of the P50. It's blinking cold out, so we headed indoors for a pit stop to discover more. Now that we've thawed out, before we delve into the Trident, let's grab a few more fun facts about the P50.
The engine is a 49cc DKW 3-speed located at the side. Very easy to work on. Basically, tip the thing on its side. This vehicle works on 2-stroke, so petrol, and then you fill this up with oil, and that is the 2-stroke mix.
Oh, right.
So you've got 2-stroke oil in there.
It's a bit like a strimmer.
Yes, and then pop it in.
So there's the 3 forward gears, and we have the clutch pedal, brake and accelerator. But how do you start it? Like a motorbike where you do a kickstart, you just pull this handle here. It's like a kickstart but in reverse. Now, let's check out the Trident. This is a 2-seater version with a dome on the top. The Trident can achieve similar top speeds as the P50, but because of the extra weight carrying 2 people, the P50 might just pip it at the post.
There's a little catch inside, and then this slides open, and that's the only airflow. In the summer, it's like being in a greenhouse.
In fact, it can get so hot inside the Trident in summer those tomato plants could do very well. The original Tridents came with gears. This Trident is an automatic and has a new engine, but everything else is the same, with the exact same bodywork as the original. The original came with the same engine as the P50, a 49cc DKW. Whilst the Trident here is an almost like-for-like replica, the P50 is an original made in that factory in Peel in 1964. What's the suspension like on both these cars?
Very hard, yes. After a few miles, you do ache a little bit.
Yes.
Yes, it's not like a conventional motor vehicle.
So you have to bring a cushion?
Have to bring a cushion.
The average car in the UK consumes around 38 miles per gallon. Compare that to this beauty. Like its P50 sister, the Trident achieves a whopping 100 miles per gallon. Eco-tastic.
Jump in.
Oh my goodness, this is exciting. As a promo stunt in 1963, the Trident's little sister, the P50, trundled into the lift at Blackpool Tower and headed all the way up to the top of the tower. Then the P50 did a circuit of the observation platform. Yep, right at the top of the tower. Brings a smile to your face driving this. It's a real good car.
This is the air conditioning.
Production of these adorable microcars began and ended in the 1960s. But in 2010, two entrepreneurs appeared on the BBC's Dragon's Den in a bid to resurrect these tiny gems of a car. They got their investment, and the P50 and the Trident are now back in production, but no longer manufactured here on the Isle of Man. Right, this little car is off for a snooze. The Manx Transport Heritage Museum in Peel is home for this joy of a car and her equally gorgeous original P50 sister. The museum is well worth a visit. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.